let firefighters thrive, or wildfires thrive.
Yeah, exactly. And we see those wildfires all the time out west, but there goes to show you these can happen just about anywhere. Yeah, but we are hoping for some rain for those folks out there, and parts of our area could also use a little bit of rain too, of course. Checking it out though right now, this beautiful stretch of weather has continued. It's been rather quiet and dry, but those temperatures not bad here in the low to mid 70s now as we get into the early parts of the afternoon. Still very comfortable, especially for the last day of spring. And it was noted there, talking about those wildfires, how dry it's been. Look at these dew points. Talk about some dry air. These dew points are still in the 40s and 50s. That is exactly why it's been feeling so comfortable as we went throughout the weekend into today as well. But it's not going to be long before those dew points start to go right back up again. I mentioned the cloud cover a little bit earlier on. The radar still trying to pick up on some light sprinkles possibly there across the Allegheny Highlands, but a lot of that is not likely reaching the ground. We've just been having that good mix of sunshine and cloud cover throughout the day, and there it is. High pressure is still locked in place, keeping things rather quiet, but it's this warm front back across the Great Lakes, dropping to the south, that's bringing about this cloud cover and some light rainfall. And it's going to be the main feature that could make a few spots in our viewing area a bit soggy as we go through the night tonight and into the morning tomorrow. So expect those spotty showers mostly near the Pennsylvania-Maryland line tonight going into Tuesday morning. And then tomorrow is the beginning of summer, and the arrival of the new season brings back heat and humidity. Not to the level we saw late last week, but still enough to certainly be noticeable. And with that as well, we will have those better chances for rainfall starting on Wednesday and going through the rest of the week. But not a lot of rainfall in the forecast here today. We're just going to continue to have that divide between a little bit more cloud cover to the west, more sunshine to the east, straight through this afternoon into the evening. But that cloud cover starts to increase for everybody as we go into the overnights, expecting a mostly cloudy sky. And then there it is, just those very few spotty light showers popping up there tomorrow morning around 5, 6, 7 a.m. You might need the windshield wipers a little bit, but any of that activity will wrap up, push off to the east, and as we go into tomorrow afternoon, the sun breaks out as we see a good deal of clearing on our first day of summer. And it's that clearing that's really going to affect our temperatures. Check this out. Today we should see a little bit more warmth, but we should only top out in those upper 70s to low 80s with still a lot of dry air, comfortable air out there as we go into the overnight hours tonight. With that cloud cover on the increase, we will see those low temperatures stay in the upper 50s to low 60s. Not nearly as crisp and chilly as what we had these last few nights. And then check this out. As we go into tomorrow afternoon, it is not going to take much. We'll dial those temperatures right back up into the upper 80s, low 90s. You factor in the humidity that's likely to be mixed in. It's going to be feeling even hotter than that. So it was nice while it lasted, but those more summer-like conditions are set to make a return officially on the first day of summer tomorrow. We stay just as warm with scattered showers and storms likely late Wednesday into Wednesday night, again on Thursday. And notice how we at least have minor rain chances into this upcoming weekend.